Good morning, students. So in yesterday's class we had seen what will be the treatment of interest on loan when the partner has given loan to the firm. In today's class we will be seeing what will be the treatment of interest on loan when the partner has taken loan from the firm. When a partner gives loan to the firm, it is an expense to the firm because the firm has to pay interest to the partner. But when a partner is taking loan from the firm will have an income as the partner will be paying interest on loan. So write down the next side heading, interest on loan taken by a partner from the firm. Under that write down, the Indian Partnership Act 1932 does not provide for charging interest on loan taken by a partner from the firm. Full stop. Hence, interest is charged on loan to the partner if the partnership deed has a clause or when the partners have agreed to the rate of interest to be charged on such loan. So, the partnership deed does not state the interest to be charged to a partner in case the partner has taken the loan. So, it will be by the mutual agreement and terms of the partners that how much interest will be charged. But in case where the partner has given loan to the firm, they have mentioned that 6% interest on loan will be charged. Next line take down, accounting treatment. Interest on loan taken by a partner from the firm is credited to profit and loss account and debited to his capital or current account. Next line write down, journal entries under that first one, for charging interest on loan to a partner. The journal entry is partner's capital or current account debited to interest on partner's loan. As it is an income for the firm, we are crediting interest on partner's loan and debiting our partner's capital account. But in case when the partner has given loan, what was the entry? There was interest on loan account debited to partner's loan account. We were transferring in that case to the partner's loan account, but in this case it is to partner's capital or current account. Write down the second one. For closing the interest on partner's loan account. The journal entry is interest on partner's loan account debited to profit and loss account. But in the previous case, what was the entry? Profit and loss account debited to interest on partner's loan account. Take down illustration 18. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st April 2018, their capitals were 5 lakh and 3 lakh. A was in need of funds and hence took a loan of 1 lakh from the firm. On 1st July 2018, agreed rate of interest was 12% per annum. Profit for the year amounted to 1,50,000 before charging interest. Pass journal entries for interest and prepare the partner's capital account. So first thing, we need to pass the journal entries. So journal entries of A and B. Again we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. They have asked us to pass journal entries only for interest on loan. So there will be two journal entries which I have given you at the beginning. So on 31st March, first is charging the interest. So it is A's capital account debited to interest on loan account. What will be the amount? How much loan did he take? 1 lakh. At what percentage? 12%. So 12 by 100. For how many months? July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. 9 months. So the interest amount is 9,000 debit, 9,000 credit. Narration is interest charged on loan taken by A. The next entry is again 31(3). Interest on A's loan account debited to profit and loss account. 9,000 debit, 9,000 credit. Narration transfer to profit and loss account. So we are done passing the journal entries. The next step is we need to find out the net profit after charging interest on loan. So for that we need to prepare a profit and loss account. Profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Debit, credit. We have particulars, amount, particulars, amount. You please write down in your notebook. So the first thing is bring down the profit. So by profit, how much is it? 1,50,000. Then we have interest on loan. So what's the journal entry? Interest on loan account debited to profit and loss account. So it will be written on a credit side by interest on loan account. How much is it? 9,000. So what's the total? 1,59,000. 1,59,000. So the balance we need to transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. So how much is it? A, B. We know the profit sharing ratio 1,59,000 into 3 by 5. That is 95,400. 1,59,000 into 2 by 5. That is 63,600. So we get 1,59,000. The reason I have divided it into A and B, because we need not prepare again a profit and loss appropriation account as no other information has been given. So even if we prepare a profit and loss appropriation account, this will be the balance which will be transferred to our partner's capital account. If they had given us information about interest on drawings, interest on capital, we would be preparing a profit and loss appropriation account to get the partner's capital account balance. Next, we will be preparing a partner's capital account. date, particulars A, B, date, particulars A and B. We have debit side, we have credit side. So first thing is to write down the balance of capital. So by balance brought down, or you can also write by bank account, 5 lakh, 3 lakh. Then we have on 31st March 2019 by profit and loss appropriation account 95,400, 63,600, and again on 31st March 2019 we have to interest on A's loan. So only for A we have 9,000. Anything else has not been given. So to balance carried down. What is the total for a credit side? 5,95,400, 3,63,600. So the A's balancing figure will be 5,95,400 minus 9,000. That is 5,86,400, and B will be 3,63,600. After the sum, write on the side heading, rent paid to a partner. Like interest on partner's loan, rent paid to the partner is also treated a charge against profit and not an appropriation out of profit. Full stop. Hence, it should be debited to profit and loss account and credited to rent payable account. So same way like we treat our interest on partner's loan, we would also treat our rent paid to a partner. Next, take down illustration 19. Akshara and Samiksha are in partnership. Business is being carried from the property owned by Akshara on a monthly rent of 5,000. So in the problem they have given us that the property in which they are doing business is held by Akshara and the partnership firm is giving her a rent of 5,000 per month. So the yearly rent will be 60,000, that is 5,000 into 12. Akshara is entitled to a salary of 40,000 per quarter. So they have given us that the salary of Akshara is 40,000 per quarter. So how many quarters we have in the year? 4 quarters. So each quarter her salary is 40,000. So annually her salary will be 1,60,000, that is 40,000 into 4. Samiksha to get a commission of 4% on net sales, which during the year was 50 lakh. So Samiksha's commission will be 50 lakh into 4 by 100. Net profit before providing rent is 6 lakh. So we need to find out the net profit after rent to be written in a profit and loss appropriation account. How can we find it out? We know the net profit before rent, that is 6 lakh. After rent it will be 6 lakh minus 60,000. You are required to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So illustration 19. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019. We have debit side, credit side, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. So the first step in profit and loss appropriation account is to bring down the net profit. So by net profit. So net profit before rent they have given us. So after rent it will be 6 lakh minus 40,000. That is 5,40,000. If you are confused, why did I do this? You remember before preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, we used to prepare the profit and loss account, where on the credit side we used to write the profit. In this case it is 6 lakh. And on the debit side we would be writing the rent amount. So whatever balancing figure we used to get would be transferred to our profit and loss appropriation account. So in this case 5,40,000 will be transferred to our profit and loss appropriation account. So instead of preparing the profit and loss account, we have directly shown this step in our profit and loss appropriation account. Then on the debit side, what do we have? To Akshara's salary. How much is it? 40,000 into 4. Why? Because per quarter her salary is 40,000. So it is 1,60,000. Then we have Samiksha's commission. That is 50 lakh into 4 by 100, which is 2 lakh. Anything else? No. So we will total our credit side. How much is it? 4 lakh, 5,40,000. And the balancing figure on the debit side will be transferred to our partner's capital account. What's the balancing figure? 5,40,000 minus 1,60,000 minus 2 lakh. That is 1,80,000. So how much will be transferred to each partner? They have not given us the profit sharing ratio. So for A it is 1,80,000 into 1 by 2. Why? Because we assume it is shared equally. It is 90,000. For Samiksha it is 1,80,000 into 1 by 2. That is 90,000. We treat our rent payable to a partner the same way we used to treat interest on loan to a partner. Write down the note. Rent paid to a partner is a charge against profit. Full stop. It will be debited to profit and loss account. So that's all for today. Thank you.